Hello friends! Welcome to the last episode of Tamiya Zero build. In this video I will scratch this nice green color, apply decals, add some weathering effects and complete the model. This is the stage I start with, and the first thing I want to do is chipping. Water will react with the chipping fluid under the paint, and after a few seconds I can start. Various tools are useful for the purpose. I use a toothpick, brush, sandpaper and sometimes even a cotton bud. Some people say there is no way to over-weather a Zero. Well, I think I managed to do that, as I got carried away with the chipping process. But I will use it to add some lighter green, and some areas I will paint again. Before I start with decals, I prepare the surface with gloss varnish. First is a light coat that I leave for about 30 minutes to dry, and later I apply a wet coat. After 1 hour the surface is nice and shiny. I leave it for the night, and later I use 5000 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface. The standard procedure for decals is to put them into warm water for a few seconds. Later, with the microset, place them on the spot and soft them with microsol. Microsol should help the decal to conform to the surface. I apply it a few times and still I'm not happy with the result. Decals seem thick, or they are resistant to microsol. Anyway, I help them with a toothpick. On the spots where I removed the paint, I do the same with decals. The last step for this part is to cover decals with gloss varnish. To underline panel lines and rivets, I use an oil wash. Apply it where I want it to work, and after a few minutes I remove the excess with white spirit. The difference is barely visible on this dark green, but on the brighter color it is much more pronounced. While looking for weathering inspirations, I found this picture and I'll try to replicate it with oil paints. I also use oils to weather the external fuel tank. Adding random dots of oil paint under the wings makes the surface look more diverse. I use white spirit to blend them. To imitate exhaust smoke, I use 2 drops of black paint mixed with around 8 drops of thinner. I give the whole model a coat of matte varnish, and after it's dry I start the best part, at least for me it's most satisfying part of the build, which is peeling off the masking for canopy and revealing what's inside. Wing lights I put in place with ultra glue from Amomig. All metal elements like gun barrels and pitot tube I mount with the use of CA glue. The antenna wire is included in the model, but it's metal and it seems a bit thick, so I'm going to do it with the rigging from Amomig. And the model is complete. I hope you like it. Please let me know in the comment what you think. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you next time.